Hey other people, it's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we will test how to get free Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software, guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, and then click on Delta Executor. So it should load up like this, guys, and then we will have to enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So I will just enter my username. It's this. Click connect account, and it will start fetching our Roblox profile. So guys, you should get this confirmation, and if it's your account, just click yes connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. There we go. And now guys, we will have to click import newest Delta Executor, and we will get this option for selecting additional scripts to install. So guys, if you want to install scripts along your Delta, just make sure to click on this drop down and select scripts that you would like to get. So you can also Google them and see what they do, like what features they have. I will select these four and I will click continue. So guys, it will start loading. So, and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and see. Nice, guys, look at this. API is connected, our activation key is there as well, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not your robot and let's see what we will get. So let's wait a little bit, and nice, guys, Delta Executor is imported to your account, our user ID and our Delta Executor key is connected. The last step is to open our Roblox and to test it, is it actually working. So let's see. I will open Grow a Garden, for example. I like this game. I'll click play. And now let's see, guys, are we actually getting it? Let's rotate it. So we should receive Delta along 4 script select. And look at this, guys. I cannot believe that we actually got our Delta Executor for free, guys. I'm so excited because we actually got it. Let's check out for the script. So nice. Overflow, Forge, Habnitus, and Soluna, just as we selected. I will click execute on one script and we will see is it actually working. So guys, nice. Game detected Grow a Garden, guys. Look at this. Now we should get this script and it should work, right? So nice, guys. Look at this. We got our Delta along our scripts and we can now play it with all those additional features. Look at this, guys. I'm so excited that it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Bloxforge.com was the only working one, guys. That's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.